Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create mobile data limit on Samsung Galaxy Flip5. And to do this, first we'll need to open a settings and also make sure that you have the SIM card inserted inside your phone. Now we can go for the connections, then there's the data usage, and here we can go for billing cycle and data warning. Right now we can change the start billing cycle on, and you can pick a specific day of the month. Each time it will reset on that specific day. Then we have set data warning. You can activate the data warning and also change when a certain amount of data is reached, you'll receive that warning. So let's go for the 200 megabytes. Also, we have set data limit, which is the point of this video. So now, right now we can change the limit between gigabytes and megabytes, and you can change the limit right here. And in case, one thing that we need to note, that is the 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So for example, if we want to go for 2.5 gigabyte, then we need to enter 2500 megabytes. Click on set and our mobile data is set. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.